Car's running, so I have to keep me to start the car. God, look at that. They live
Right here you can see
bubbles.
these people have been out here all frickin' day.
Yep, selling
all day.
Flowers, taking
and I go out there for just an hour and I get a ticket and they don't. Where's the logic in that? Where's the justice? I'm taking this to court because they say that I owe all this money, but yet they don't even ticket these people who are actually doing business in the middle of a medium.
Without a license.
Without a permit to do business, and they're illegal aliens, not even supposed to be in this country.
No, but they bring them one right after the other, huh?
And every time that the cops remove one of them, another one takes its place.
Yeah, it's
kind of like a cancer cell.
Nah.
When you remove one cancer cell, another one takes its place. Unfrickin' believable. There is no justice in America anymore.
Unfucking believable, he means. Do it. Oh, now I really can't see. God, people. Oh, might find a new spot, Tom. See?
Ahí, todo el mundo!
You're gonna have to find a new spot, Tom. This is a boozy battle.